It's rare I feel any sort of attachment to the tools that I use. I abuse my brushes, I never clean my paint pots, and my desk, well, it looks like this. But if my workspace caught fire and I could only grab 3 things, it'd be my 90s elf, this book of ideas, and my $5 knife. When I started this hobby with a box of high elf archers in my bedroom, I had a knife like this. This isn't mine, this is my dad's. Note the non-original screw and this Made in Australia badge. This is a knife. Now, when I decided I wanted to move out of home, I bought 3 toolboxes and filled them with all the tools I'd usually steal from my dad, and my hopes were that I would be prepared for anything. The tool that I use more than anything else is this. $5, but everything about it is perfect. No gimmicks, no hinges, no switches, no safety gubbins. It just holds dirt, cheap knife blades to cut and pry and stab things. But wait, in this hobby I will give you one word of advice which has changed my life forever. Change your goddamn knife blades. When is it time to change a knife blade? All the time. Change them now, change them tomorrow, change them yesterday. Why are my cuts rubbish? Why does my foam tear? Your knife blade needs changing. Now, when you want to change a knife blade with this knife, there's no over-engineered rubbish that will fail in 6 months. All you gotta do is unscrew it a half turn with the back of your fresh blade and swap the blades out, and inside is a magnet to snap it into place. This is one of those things you don't realize how perfect it is until it's gone. This is the Stanley Model 10299, the distant cousin of my dad's Stanley 299E, the only fixed blade knife available to me locally. Now, let me show you how to change the knife blade with this boy. What the hell, Stanley? What is this? What does it do? What has changed in 20 years that we suddenly need this? What does this even mean? Get it together, Stanley. It's okay. Be the change you want to see and all that. Let's just fix this monstrosity. I present you with the Stanley 10299M. Half-turn blade change, magnets, snapping action, non-rattling blade compartment, perfection. Except maybe one thing. Cheers.